land nestled among undulating emerald hills. An erstwhile kingdom with a 2,000-year-old history. As the year draws to a close, lose yourself in this bejeweled land. Revel with the gods in an ethereal dance of devotion. Come close to divinity. Find yourself in the midst of the rare dancing deer. Explore the world's only market, run solely by women. Get enchanted with some of the finest weaves in the country. Rejoice at a society where gender equality is a tradition. Witness the game of Sagol Kanji. Watch history come alive. Celebrate a microcosm of diversity and culture. Listen to the call of this ancient land. Connect with your soul. This November, be at the Sangai Festival, Manipur. Live the experience, rediscover the jewel.